Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Raffi Agustian from the Electrical Engineering Study Program at Mula Warman University. This time, I will discuss about the puppet show. Wayang is a form of folk theater that is very popular, especially on the island of Java and Bali. People often associate the word wayang with shadow because it is seen from a shadow puppet show that uses a screen in which shadow appear. In West Java, apart from being known as wayang kulit, the most popular is wayang golek. The term golek can refer to two meanings, as the verb golek means to seek, as the noun golek means wooden puppet. With regard to wayang golek, there are two kinds of them, the Papak Wayang Golek and the Purwa Puppet Show in the Sundanese area, with the exception of Wayang Orang, which is a dance drama art form that is danced by humans. Most of the puppets are played by a puppeteer as the performance leader who simultaneously sings suluk, voice antawagu, and others. Wayang golek is one of the kinds of wayang arts made of wood, which is the result of the development of shadow puppets from limited time, so that they can be displayed during the day or at night. It was first introduced by Sunan Kudus in the Kudus area, known as Wayang Menak, Cirebon, and then Parahyangan. Wayang golek is very popular in the West Java region, where its distribution area stretches from Cirebon to Banten. Around 1580, Sunan Kudus, who was one of the propagators of Islam on the island of Java, once made approximately 70 wooden puppets. The puppets are shown day and night with local story shows or their own imagination, which are of course full of Islamic message. Sunan Kudus used this early form of wayang golek to spread Islam in society. The emergence of wooden puppet art was born and developed in the north coast of Java Island in the early 17th century, because the people of Central Java and East Java have already been familiar with shadow puppets. The presence of wayang golek is less developed because the people there are already fond of wayang kulit. However, the Sunan Kudus puppet show attract the hearts of scholars or at least Cirebon Santri who were visiting or studying to the Sunan Kudus area. Finally, the wayang golek idea was brought to the Cirebon. The next development was the Purwa puppet show, which could not be separate from the role of Wiranata Kusuma III, 6th Regent of Bandung. He really likes wayang, but he wants a show that is more interesting and has Sundanese values. Finally, he asked one of the shadow puppet craftsmen named Ki Darman, a shadow puppet activist from Tegal in Cibiru, Ujung Berung, Bandung, to make a more attractive form of wayang golek with a head shape that really resembles a human. So the Sundanese puppet form was born as we see it today. Wayang golek art in Sundanese language is thought to have begun to develop in West Java during the expansion of the Mataram Sultanate in the 17th century. Although in fact some influence of Hindu cultural heritage still survive in several places in West Java, as the former territory of the Kingdom of Sunda Galuh, Pakem, and the wayang golek storyline are in accordance with the wayang kulit fashion, especially the wayang Purwa story, Ramayana and Mahabharata, Although there are some differences, for example, in the naming of the Punakawan characters known in the Sundanese version. As for the wooden puppets are in Japanese, it can be found in contemporary form as wayang menak in the Kudus area and wayang cepak in the Cirebon area. Although its popularity is not as big as the wayang golek in the Parahyangan region, the puppet show began to take on its present form around 19th century. At the time, the art of wayang golek was a folk theater performance that was exhibited in a village or a township. Apart from functioning as a complement to the ceremonies of salvation or ruatan, the puppet show is also a spectacle and entertainment in certain events. Okay, maybe that now for my discussion of wayang golek. More or less apologize. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.